How to show product variants directly on product cards and choose exactly which ones appear, all native in your Shopify theme. I'm in the theme editor of my store, on the home page. The goal is to display product variants on the cards of the featured collection section and to choose which ones appear. I open the sections panel and I click on the featured collection section. I scroll down to the product card group of settings and I turn on show variants. Every card now displays all available variants for the project. You'll notice there's also show swatches settings just above. Both control how variants appear on the cards, but in different ways. Show variants display them as text. Show swatches display them as visual elements, usually color circles or small images. I'm turning swatches off for the rest of this video, so the text variants are easy to read. Now, if I want to display only one specific variant on the cards instead of all of them, I use the custom product variants field, just below. But first, I need to know the exact name of the variant as it's set on my products, so I open one of my products in a new tab. We can see this product has two options, color and size. Let's say I only want to show size on the cards. Back in the editor, I type size in the custom product variants field. Now the cards only show the size options. The color options are hidden. To display more than one specific variant, I separate them with a comma. For example, typing color shows both. To go back to displaying every variant the product has, I leave this field empty. One more thing worth showing. These variant options on the cards are clickable. When I click on the gray color of the knit sweater, I land directly on the product page with the gray variant already selected. Your customer skips a step and lands on exactly the variant they wanted to see. The same show variants and custom product variant settings exist in most sections that display product lists. Set it once on one section, you know how to do it everywhere. Everything you just saw is built into Aries, the Shopify theme I designed. If you want to try it in your own store, the link is in the description.